My name is Jon Sargent, spirit animal's the eagle. I've been here almost 15 years and currently I am the sales manager and bathroom cleaning name creator. Before joining motorcycle sales, grew up doing concrete and construction work, carpentry, did that, then came and started partying here. Grew up off-grid, and so being outdoors and power sports, things with motors were always appealing and very enjoyable for me. And so as I got older, my older brother had cooler toys than I did, so I wanted those. And so eventually he got a motorcycle, I wanted a motorcycle, we started enjoying that. He got a Harley, I wanted one, we enjoyed that. And then realized, you know, it's a whole lot warmer being in a showroom that's 72 degrees and sunny, regardless of the time of year, than it is outdoors when it's 20 below and windy. I would say a typical day for me, what should be my thinking face? I would say a typical day for me starts with a smile. I'm always excited to come to work. Some would say I suffer from FOMO, fear of missing out at work. So always excited to show up. Absolutely love the people I work with. I think I am super blessed to have a work family that's as amazing as I have. And so what do? Geez, that's tough because, you know, most of the time I would answer with I try to do as little as possible while looking like I do as much as possible, which that in itself is a balance. Start my day with a smile, help make sure the team is ready to rock, and really just be a resource for the people here, make sure they have what they need, make sure I'm serving them as best I can. Do purchase an awful lot of motorcycles, so engaging with folks that are either looking to sell or trade, helping the team maximize their own potential. I would say there's two parts I enjoy the most. One is the people you're able to do something with heavily influence whatever activity it is you're doing. So one favorite part of mine is the people I get to do it with, both our customers and staff. I would say the second favorite thing is like the atmosphere and the emotion you can feel when someone buys a motorcycle and is going to go and enjoy that, and the high it gives them is super contagious, and for me, I love that. I often say, like, I get itchy, you know, if we're not feeling someone excited about a motorcycle, and so that is super high on my list in terms of watching people get a win. I mean, I think it should be shared that we didn't have a lot of rehearsal here, you know? I think I would have preferred that, very improv. You know, really, I feel like I'm a little grilled right now. I'm still not sure what I should be doing with my hands or the proper pose. I mean, I've considered having my foot up high, down low, looking like this, like a statue, I've considered. And if my girl Chelsea's watching, I just want you to know that the most beautiful girl in the world. And I love you, girl. Brownie points. It's gonna win. You watch that. She's gonna watch that and she's gonna be like, you're such an idiot. But she's gonna be smiling, so we know that she felt special.